Hello everybody, welcome to this video. So today we're going to unbox this IQUNIX MG65 Pro low profile keyboard. Despite it's being a low profile keyboard, I can really feel the weight. It seems like it's over 1 kilo with the packaging. And the entire body is made out of aluminum, and the specification says it has battery of 3000 milliamp hour. So let's get started. The Pro version is different from the regular version, and it has this extra piece here for you to so you can have this volume knob. So once you unpack the packaging, you will find this quick starter guide explaining all the modes that this keyboard can operate, as well as some convenient starter guide. And let's put this aside and take out the keyboard. So this is how this keyboard looks. As you can see, this keyboard is not a necessarily black keyboard. The aluminum color tends to be more towards gray, I'd say. And with a Pro model, you get this extra piece here that has a scrollable volume knob. And this is not clickable. You have 4 programmable custom keys, as well as a 2.4G dongle that's hidden under this cover. And despite being a low profile keyboard, this one feels definitely hefty, but it's not as heavy as those high profile keyboards that you can find out there. So for example, this is Yunzi. I forgot the model, but you can easily find this on Amazon. This one is slightly lighter than the high profile one, but I wouldn't consider this as an portable keyboard. This is more for not for travel, because it's still on the pretty heavy side. So I just connected this keyboard to my 16-inch MacBook Pro, and one thing I noticed is this keyboard comes in Mac layout by default. That means this key is the option key by default, and this one is command. So you don't have to toggle the keyboard into Mac mode manually. By default, it's just in Mac layout. So that is super friendly for Mac users. And another thing I notice is how closely they look alike in terms of their aesthetics. So that includes the color and the texture. So this one is space black, and this one somewhat towards gray. And they look, I'd say 80% similarity, maybe 85. They don't look exactly the same because this texture is more reflective. You can see this, it's reflecting more of the light source here. And this one is reflecting less. This is because this keyboard is more matte than the MacBook Pro. But another good thing is, if you notice, the length of this keyboard matches the width of the laptop. That means the one potential way you can use it is you can just place your keyboard on top of the OG keyboard, and boom. So next up, let's do the sound test. So that was the sound test, and you can hear the sound is pretty creamy in the middle, and it's significantly dampened around the edge. So that's pretty much about the keyboard itself, and next let's take a look at what other accessories this keyboard comes with. The first one is this spare keycaps. So here you get the Windows keycaps, and because it's a hot swappable keyboard, you also get this very high quality keycaps and switch puller. And next we have this USB-C cable. And some stickers. And also a 2.4G receiver and a warranty card. So that's pretty much about this video. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.